Enjoy the view of this 2023 Honda Passport. Presenting the Honda Passport, the midsize crossover with all the features you need to make your outdoor adventures fun and comfortable. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, flexible cabin configurations, smart tech, towing ability, and optional all-wheel drive, this innovative vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, rear AC. Feel confident and comfortable on every excursion in the clever and versatile Passport. We can put you in the driver's seat today.